Hey there, if your WNKIMTECH S700 Vacuum is giving you trouble, maybe the battery is dying too fast, suction's weak, or it just won't charge. Don't stress, I have got some super quick fixes that can help you get back to cleaning like a pro. So let's dive in and get your vacuum back on track. Okay, first up, if it's battery dying way too fast, before panicking, make sure you are fully charging the vacuum before each use. Leaving it partially charged shortens runtime. Also switch to eco mode if you are doing a light cleaning session. It saves a ton of power. If you are still noticing a big drop in battery life, it might be time to replace the battery. That easy to find and install, and it could give your vacuum a new life. Next, if it stops suction, don't worry. Your S700 just needs a little TLC. First, empty the dustbin. A full bin seriously reduces airflow. Then clean or replace the filter. A dirty filter means weak suction. And don't forget to check the hose and brush roll for clogs. Even a small piece of debris can make a huge difference. Once it's all cleaned, your vacuum should be sucking like a champion again. If your vacuum overheating and shutting off randomly, that's a sign it needs a breather. Step 1. Clean the filters. Clogged filters can trap heat. Step 2. Empty the dustbin. And finally, give your vacuum cool down time between long sessions. Your 700 isn't a superhero. It needs rest too. And if the brush roll not spinning, that's a cleaning disaster. Flip your vacuum over and take a look. Most of the time, it's hair, threads, or debris wrapped around the brush. Give it a good clean, remove all the gunk, and reinstall it securely. Now you're ruling again, literally. If your vacuum not charging, don't freak out. Try this checklist. Is the charger plugged in properly? Sometimes it's a loose connection. Try a different power outlets. If still nothing, it could be a faulty charging cable or battery. Replacing one of those is usually a quick and cheap fix. Thank you for watching. See you next time.